another episode of my Stew Peas Chronicles. I'll be making some stew peas with turkey neck and some salt beef along with some chicken foot Jamaican style. Now, I cleaned my turkey, I removed the little fat from the middle, washed, and I will be scalding off my salt beef. Now, I season my chicken foot and also the turkey neck with my Shelley's all-purpose Rhythm Sun and Vibes blend, and I leave this to marinate while my salt beef is scalding off. I did this for like 3-4 times to get most of the salt out of it. Then I added some peas. No, my red peas had a little black bean in it because I ran out of peas. No, I added my peas to my salt beef and I had some beef bones. At this point, the beef is half cooked. I added in the turkey neck and the chicken foot. This whole stew piece took me roughly 2.5 hours to cook to have everything soft to where I wanted it. Then I added in some spinners. Now, for my stew peas, I added lots of onions, garlic to boil along with it. I really don't like it with the bell peppers, so I did not add any. And I did not use any coconut milk in this recipe. I use it sometimes. It's not my favorite. And listen, stew peas, Sunday food I eat. I have like so many other videos. Don't forget to give the video a like, comment, let me know your thoughts on how you prepare your stew peas. No, I really don't like mine's too watery. I love it with lots of peas in it, although they say red peas is not good for us. It fills us up with gas or makes us really bloated. That's the peas I choose to use. And listen, a gal stew peas came out good. This you call tie demand them, right? It was tasty. It had the color that I wanted. And because I'm cheating, I did a little white rice. Stew peas is one of my all-time favorite. And I find other meat to prepare this because I don't consume pork. I barely consume beef too, but I had to add a little beef in it. And voila, there was dinner served with a little plantain on the side. And listen, vegetable had to be dished on another dish because I had a little bit of rice and lots of stew peas because it's my favorite. If you made it this far, what are you waiting on? Jamaican cooked down, tie the man them food. Yes, Jamaican style stew peas. Bye. Don't forget to give the video a like, comment. Thank you guys. And don't forget to check out my blends at www.shelleysbecausespices.com. The link is in the bio and support your girl. Bye.